Welcome to Beyond LOD, Mastering Level of Information Need. Today we'll explore advanced concepts in BIM, including 3 practical demos. Let's dive into mastering the level of information need. Here's our agenda. We'll start with auto-checking information, discuss the evolution of LOD and LOIN, and explore current challenges. We'll then move to practical demos on the level of information need and its applications, concluding with a Q&A session. Today's plan includes 3 real-world demos. First, we'll cover auto-info model checking, then setting up LOIN requirements following ISO standards, and finally, customizing fields for specific project needs. These demos will enhance your BIM workflow. Demo 1 focuses on information compliance. We'll define requirements to establish clear standards, automate verification for efficiency, and ensure objective pass-fail results. This process replaces subjective interpretations with structured accountability. This image illustrates the verification process in Plannerly. You can see tasks like ceilings and flooring with progress indicators. This visual representation helps track project status and ensure compliance with defined standards. The transition from LOD 100 to LOD 500 is depicted humorously here. It highlights the increasing detail and accuracy required as projects progress. Understanding these levels is crucial for effective BIM management and project success. However, achieving consistent LOD levels isn't simple. Challenges include inconsistent interpretation, difficulty in quantifying information, and potential misalignment between design intent and model development. Addressing these is key to project success. The level of information need is summarized here. It includes purpose, container, and content. Understanding why information is needed, where it resides, and its components, geometry, alphanumeric data, and documentation, is essential for effective BIM management. This framework outlines the level of information need. It covers prerequisites like purpose and milestones, and details geometry, information, and documentation. This comprehensive approach ensures all project aspects are addressed systematically. Understanding the purpose of BIM is crucial. This slide asks why BIM information is required, linking it to project milestones like structural estimates and asset handover. Defining purpose helps align BIM efforts with project goals. Determining the scope is vital for project success. This slide highlights the need to define what scope is required for each project phase, such as wall foundations and HVAC. Clear scope definition ensures efficient resource allocation. Beyond scope, identifying necessary activities and deliverables is key. This slide emphasizes defining project tasks, like appointing an information manager, to ensure all project requirements are met efficiently and effectively. Quantifying requirements for each milestone is essential. This slide illustrates how to determine the amount of information needed for phases like MEP coordination and asset handover, ensuring all project needs are met comprehensively. Assigning responsibility is crucial for project success. This slide shows how to identify who is responsible for each task, ensuring accountability and smooth handover between project phases, such as structural estimates and asset handover. Your information management framework is outlined here. It includes scope classification, purpose, responsibility, and details. This comprehensive approach ensures all project aspects are managed effectively, from geometry to documentation. Demo 2 focuses on defining LOIN. We'll explore the purpose of information, specify where it resides, and detail its content, including geometry and documentation. Identifying responsible parties ensures accountability and project success. This image shows a detailed view of steel structures in Plannerly. It includes information requirements, documents, and dimensionality. Tracking these elements ensures compliance with project standards and efficient information management. The level of information need framework is revisited here, with checks indicating completed elements. This visual ensures all aspects, from geometry to documentation, are addressed, providing a comprehensive approach to project management. This slide details interior prefab partition walls, including dimensionality, location, and coordination requirements. Ensuring these elements align with project standards is crucial for effective BIM management and project success. Why does this matter? The old way involved endless tracking and confusion. The LOIN way offers a structured process, clear responsibilities, and automated verification, reducing conflicts and ensuring project success. Embrace this efficient approach,